Magandang gabi. Narito na ang 9 p.m. Lotto result. Sa araw ng Lunes, September 23, 2024. Sa 2D Lotto, 9 p.m. draw. 4 and 29 in exact order. Sa 3D Lotto, 9 p.m. draw. 6, 1, and 5 in exact order. Sa 4D Lotto, ang winning numbers ay 9, 5, 0, and 2 in exact order. With a first prize of 56,206 pesos. At ito naman po ang breakdown ng 4D Lotto, second prize and third prize for the corresponding numbers. Sa Mega Lotto 645, ang winning numbers ay 18, 25, 38, 30, 3, and 8 in any order. With a jackpot prize of 65,332,930 pesos and 80 centavos. Sa Grand Lotto 655, ang winning numbers ay 13, 10, 12, 52, 40, and 33 in any order. With a jackpot prize of 29,700,000 pesos. Abangan natin bukas sa Lotto 642 na may estimated jackpot of 5 million. Sa Lotto 649 na may estimated jackpot of 67 million. At ang Ultra Lotto 658 na may estimated jackpot of 189 million. Lotto draw schedule ngayong Martes, Easy 2 Lotto, Suertres Lotto, 6D Lotto, Lotto 642, Super Lotto 649, at ang Ultra Lotto 658. Maraming salamat po. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.